3, 2, 1. Welcome to the Forex Trading Show. Forex trading live every weekday morning. Real trades, real profits, zero analysis. Set back, relax, and get ready to profit. And now, your host, Terry from FXWithTerry.com.
Real trades, real profits, zero analysis, especially today. Zero analysis, literally zero movement in this market. We're getting a little bit, if you're trading every currency pair, all 22 currency pairs that we trade, then you're getting a little bit of volume, but typically it's dangerous to trade that aggressively, that many pairs at once. 22 pairs at once, not the smartest thing to do. Now, what's interesting is you will feel like, if you are paying attention to my system, if you will feel like you could turn it all on, and technically you could right now. But we don't know when this market volume is going to pick up. We don't know if it will. I mean, it typically does, right? We're only coming up on, we are 3 weeks in. 3 weeks into the new year. We are looking at the free signal trade on the chart here. EuroCAD sell, nothing has changed since yesterday. We entered this trade at about $1 or $2 drawdown. It's pulled back a little bit on us. In the full algorithm, we are actually in, I believe, 5 of these trades, in a basket of these trades. So this is the last one. So what that means is this entire basket of trades is going to be very profitable. This is going to be a great trade. It's just pulling back on a currency pair, EuroCAD, which does not move that much in the market. So not really much to see there. You know, if we can glance at the chart, we are in a sell trade. It's just pulled back a little bit. Pretty simple to see there. I could probably zoom in a little bit better. Yeah. Sell trade is here. Take profit is here. It's pulled back a little bit. Very typical of the Forex market. This can be a great trade. I've announced this in the free Telegram group, FXWithTerry.com. If you go there right now, right this minute, as of today, it's still taking you over and bringing you into the Discord group. In the very near future, all new free members, brand new people, will come into Telegram. They will get access to a series of training videos that brings you up to speed on my system. Certainly one of the things that's been needed is to explain to people just the general concepts of Forex, because interestingly enough, people just jump into this marketplace and my system having done nothing ever in the Forex market. And then there's people who have traded or dabbled in Forex and are, you hear me say this a lot, potentially brainwashed, meaning they've just been told a lot of things. There's just this flood of information in the Forex market that is from traders who just couldn't make it trading. So guess what they say in just literally every niche in the entire world? Those who can't do, teach. Those who can't do, teach. I'm not teaching. I'm doing. Certainly you will learn something from seeing me do, which is access the automated algorithm that we have, place the trades, pay attention to what the market's doing. But right now, the market is absolutely, you heard me say it, it's flatter than flat. Like there's just nothing. Just no movement. No closure here. Exact same place that we were yesterday. So let's hit the pause screen button here. And I don't know, my camera is always out of whack there. So let me pull up the full algorithm. We'll take a look at that. You get a feel for what the full algorithm is doing right now. It's in about a $500 drawdown. And that's for this account. I have to say this all the time because there are brand new people coming on here and they're like, oh, well, I don't like those numbers. This is scalable. I'm literally taking every trade. We're looking at the full algorithm, full set of trades in my algorithm, 22 currency pairs. We're only in about a dozen and a half trades right now. And the big thing to look at is the closure. So relatively low, about $139.36 overnight. In fact, not about that. Exactly that. So for the week, looking back a week, $2,610.28. That's pretty damn good if your account can handle every trade that my algorithm takes. Right now, based off of the market, you can. We don't know when that's going to change. And in the past, it has changed quite a bit where, you know, the market's just been going crazy. Maybe the plan now with after the inauguration, everything's smooth. There's literally no high impact news today. I can show you that. We looked at this yesterday. If you go to forexfactory.com, Wednesday, January 22nd, nothing. So tomorrow, if I go forward a little bit, you can see some CAD early, USD early, very early in the morning. President Trump is going to speak tomorrow. Maybe that'll move the market. Listen, these things don't move the market. The market makers, the big banks, the hedge funds, the institutions, they use this as an impetus. They literally tell their robot, because they run all of their stuff is an algorithm, automated. What they do is they tell their robot at 9 a.m. If you look at U.S., President Trump speaks tomorrow 9 a.m. And that's mountain time for me. But nonetheless, they'll say at 9 a.m. or whatever the local server time is, go ape shit on these currency pairs. Like they just use it as an excuse. It's not the reason that the market moves. I'm telling you that right now. Because we've seen a lot of movement last year on half dozen or so different currency pairs that was insane movement without one high impact news release at all. None. So, not much going on there. We'll see. Maybe we'll get something tomorrow. But really not much going on here. The free trade is launched. You can see what the closure is we had. If you want, I will jump around to a few other accounts just to amuse you. Here is one. I'll share this with you. Quite a few people are trading this. This is a dedicated feed inside of my group that license holders, lifetime license holders get. This is called the Stable Profits feed. Right now it's trading Euro GBP, which is a very stable pair. Euro GBP has pushed five distances, I'm just going to call it that, 5 levels away from its average price. It has just pushed away. If you look at this on the chart, and again, very stable, but here I am, let's go to the day side. You can see what has happened here. The median price, because I know this, although it's obviously you're not seeing it here on the chart, the median price was about right here at the bottom of this candle. This is the median price for Euro GBP. It has launched itself away from that median price, and this is exactly what it's going to do. It's going to come back. We are going to profit before we ever get back to that point. But if you look at what my system done, it took, when it reaches away from the median, it took a sell, 2 sells, 3 sells, 4 sells. I believe there's a fifth in there. There might be 2 on top of each other right there. That's very possible. Nonetheless, notice what it's doing with the lot size. It's not exponentially increasing the lot size. We started at 01, and this is fully scalable, right? We started at 01, 01, 02, 02, and then it brought it back a little bit. It's not trying to get crazy here. Plus, again, I call it the stable profits feed, Euro GBP. This will be a very nicely profitable trade because the likelihood of it running away on you is really the thing that, you know, is at play here. And the likelihood of Euro GBP running away on you is it's nil, right? It's extremely low. So nothing really going on there. Just not a lot of move. It's pushed away and it's kind of holding that spot. We can go look at gold. I believe I only have gold on, I haven't been sending it to any test accounts. I have it on the actual feed here. So I'll share this with you. So there is no gold trade open right now. But the trades that I fed out are here. 4 trades overnight, closing at a profit of $11.46. And again, this is scalable. So you can multiply that by 2 or 3 or 10 or 100. You can scale it into your account. I'm just sending out the basic trade. That is what's different about my system from a lot of other systems, although you probably can go in and maybe change your bid, but that's about all you can do. With my system, you can control how much, you know, how much your account is getting a bid on it, how many trades you can have control of how many trades, and it's really simple. In terms of control with my system, a lot of people for basic trading have to have their own VPS, virtual private server, and you have to be able to install the software and all of the EAs and optimize MetaTrader 4 for EA or expert advisor trading. It's way over most people's heads, way over. So that's what's going on there. Had a great gold trade. Let's go back to the pause here. I really don't think there's anything else of significance moving in the market here. Let me take a look at this one. Yeah, nothing much here. I'll show you my test account. Pretty much proven that this thing crushes. So this is a test account. I'm trading an automated feed that I provide to subscribers called the One Profitable Pair Feed, and it has auto hedging built in case a trade goes massively against you. It will protect the account and end in a nice profit always. That's the plan. So right now it is trading just this one pair. You can see I'm bidding a lot, a 1.0 lot size. But NZD CAD sell trade closed last night, this morning, $238.29 profit. This is a $17,593 account. This started at $10,000 a month ago. If I go to the month, here we are, we're up $7,148 in the past 30 days on a $10,000 account. So that's a 71% profit increase. Am I taking a lot of risk on this account? Yes. Am I paying attention to it? Yes, I am. I'm trading. And every one of these trades in this account have all come from my automated system. I have not manually intervened with this thing at all. At all. So that's proof of concept. In this current market, you can get pretty aggressive. You could bid quite a bit. What you need to be able to do as a trader is just risk management. Just use my system. It's all automated. And then learn risk management. What is that? Hedging if you have to. Hence, I have hedging built into, and I can put my hedging system on any one of our trades, any one of our algorithms, pretty much within reason. And there's no reason you shouldn't be plugging into this fully automated system and just reaping the rewards. I mean, it's pure insanity that people want to learn how to trade. In the sense of they want to know when to enter and when to exit. Let the automated system do it. You can't beat it. You can't yourself trade 22 currency pairs 24 hours a day. You can't do it. So why would you try? What you can do is you can manage your own account. You can accept the amount, the number of trades, the amount of bid that works for you, your risk appetite. You want to be really conservative? Be conservative. You want to go really risky, like this account that we're looking at, then do it. You have the ability to do that. If you don't feel comfortable with it, guess what? You can set up a demo account. You can practice. You should practice. Absolutely should practice. And coming up soon here, I just recorded the first video yesterday. I'll have a simple, straightforward playlist that all new members get access to. You come into the Telegram group, you get access to the playlist. It'll be a dedicated page on my website that is dedicated to brand new people coming in. Now, when I say brand new, there's two types of brand new people. One is someone who's never traded Forex at all, and they're brand new to my system. Or someone who has traded in the past or is currently trading, but is still brand new to my system. My system, my way of thinking, the way we look at this is completely counterintuitive for whatever reason, because that seems to be what works. It's completely counterintuitive compared to what everyone else will be telling you on YouTube. And in fact, if you've listened to anything up to this point, that's why I say a beginner that has done some trading, but is a beginner to my system, you have to come in and you have to open your mind a little bit. So I'm working on those videos. It's going to probably take me about a week to put that together. Again, I got the first one recorded, so that's coming. I believe that's it that we need to look at today. It's Wednesday, not a lot going on, and some nice high-impact news tomorrow, which looks like they may use as a reason, and it'll be interesting to see Trump's speech, which, let's see, so that must be going off at 11 a.m. Eastern time tomorrow. So that'll be interesting to watch. But anyway, I'll be available in the group, fxwithterry.com. If you're not already there, come on over. Get access to these free trades. I don't know why you wouldn't. Get some confidence built that you can do this, because you can. Because my stuff is, what, 99% automated? It's 100% automated. But if you want to risk, then you probably should pay attention. Probably should look at your account a couple times a day and go, hey, what's it doing? And then, of course, we've got the open chat area. You can discuss, ask anything, learn anything. This is the greatest way to create wealth in the entire world. That's it. I'll see you tomorrow in the next live session. Take care.
Thank you for joining us on the Forex Trading Daily Live Show. Get access to all of the free trades with full auto trading at fxwithterry.com. Be sure to subscribe and get notified of the daily live stream. And get ready for your next profitable Forex trade.